at ASM AI Fest. Day 7 unlocked the true power of the right prompts.
Day 7 of ASM AI Fest highlights the power of prompts and the spirit of Ideathon. It's where ideas move beyond discussion and turn into direction. Creativity meets structure, and innovation begins with the right question.
School. Young learners experienced how asking better questions leads to smarter answers. Junior college. Students discovered how the right question can unlock extraordinary AI responses. Management college. Management students mastered prompt engineering to turn AI into a strategic business tool. Engineering college. Engineering minds explored how precise prompts can enhance intelligent system design. From powerful prompts to powerful ideas, innovation is just getting started.